Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a brand new budget wireless headphones to show you all. These are Bluetooth 4.2 headphones that produce some amazing deep bass and cost less than 1500 rupees. They're made by Boult Audio and the model is called as Flex. So the Flex headphones come in this sort of box packing. You've got the Boult Audio branding on the front, and this is how the back side looks like. You've got a picture of the Flex headphones here. Let's check out the features of these headphones. They're lightweight and offer comfortable fit, have a protein leather padding, provide 8 hours of battery life, has dual mode functionality, built-in mic, and produce deep bass and 3D acoustics, all thanks to those built-in subwoofers. So those were some of its features. Coming to the pricing details, the price on the box says 7,499 rupees, but they cost only around 1499 rupees online. That was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer cover. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's slide this outer cover and check out the headphones. Oh, looks like we've got a box here. It's a simple black box. Let's open it and see. Here we go. Oh boy, what sort of packing is this? Let me just take the headphones out. The headphones are in good condition, but the packing looks really bad. The company definitely need to do something about this. Let me just keep the headphones aside and see what else do we get in the box. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, so you can use it even in aux mode. A USB cable for charging the headphones, and some paperwork which includes a warranty card and a user manual. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So these are all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the headphones. So this is how the Boult Audio's Flex wireless headphones look like. They come only in black and brown color and the build quality looks decent. The body is made of metal and plastic and feels very lightweight in the hand. You've got the Boult Audio branding on top of the headband, and the quality of the headband is also nice. It's got a two-tone color and is made of protein leather which feels soft and durable. This is how the ear cups look like. They are fully adjustable to suit any head type. You can rotate, tilt, and even fold the headphones completely to carry them easily in your backpack. Let me show the ear cups. You've got the Boult Audio logo here on the right ear cup, and on the other one you've got all the media control buttons. You can access these buttons by pressing on the top panel. It's got a total of 3 buttons which include a multi-function button, a volume up on right, and a volume down on the left. The quality of the buttons is nice, feel tactile and clicky. The cushioning on the ear cups is good, they feel soft and spongy, and the material used is also decent. Now let me show you all the available ports on it. It's got an LED status indicator, a micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm aux port, and a microphone. So that was our overview on the Boult Audio's Flex wireless headphones. Now let's pair them with my phone and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Boult Audio's Flex are super lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. But the noise isolation on them is not that great. The ear cups were not covering the ears entirely, they were just sitting on the top. Talking about the audio quality was good for the price. The mids were clear, you could easily understand the dialogues, the treble quality was above average, and coming to the bass was really nice. It was producing deep and punchy bass, all thanks to those built-in subwoofers. The overall audio quality felt decent for the price. The distortion was also less, up to 75% volume, and beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. These headphones also have a microphone, and the mic quality was good. Talking about the battery life was very impressive. On a single charge, these headphones were offering a continuous music playtime of 7 hours at 75% volume level, and charging them from 0 to 100 took around 2.5 to 3 hours. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Flex wireless headphones. They're good wireless headphones on a budget. The build quality is nice, they're comfortable, offer good audio quality with deep bass, and provide great battery life. The only thing is the company needs to improve on their packaging, and also the noise isolation could have been better. It costs only around 1499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.